How to blur video on Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to blur video in Canva. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Canva account. Make sure that you have a pro version, and if you don't have it, there are some few free options available as well, and I will show you that too. So just simply open the Canva and just log into your account using your credentials, and after that just go to the search icon, and over here just simply search for videos since you want to blur the videos. And you can also click on the video section from the list over here, and after that just simply select the video you want to blur. So for example, I want to blur this particular video right here on my screen, and now you just have to simply go to the element section from the left hand side menu screen, and over here on the search bar just simply search for blur, and now you will have different blurring option. Just go to the graphics section over here, and you can see that there are so many blur screen or options that are available over here. So you can see that these are the premium one. So I already have a pro version of the Canva, so I can use all these features, but if you don't have the pro version, you can use the free version as well. So you can see that this blur effect came over here, so you can use this one is for free, and if you have a pro version you can use this particular blur effect over here. And if this is not opaque enough, you can use something like this, and you can adjust the size of it. You can switch around the location or the screen time of also, and when you click on it you can also increase or decrease the screen time of this particular blur effect over here. And once you are satisfied with the result, you can simply go to the share icon from the top right hand side of the screen and simply download the video as per your choice. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to blur videos in Canva. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.